Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, dark blue color, red color, purple color, dark green color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for avocado. B for box. C for cow. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for glass. H for horse. I for iron. J for jam. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose. O for oxygen. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sky. T for toy. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yum. Z for zero. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.